This is Qasim Computer Education channel, and my profile is I have completed MCA, MBA, and I have 14 years experience as a lecturer in computer science. And our today's our video is regarding C language tutorials. So C language is basic for any type of programming language. So once you learn the C language, so easily you can learn other programming language also. So these tutorials are useful for the students who are pursuing BTech, MBA, MCA, BSc Computer Science, BCom Computer Science, and also students who want to learn C language. So don't skip this video and continue this video. So before watching, first of all, you need to subscribe our channel for notifications and updates. Okay, so today I am going to explain about an algorithm and flowchart. Okay, today our topic is characteristics or uses of C language. So first, C language was developed by the Dennis Rich in the year of 1972 at Bell Laboratories, and it was designed for system software and as well as application software. So language C language used for to develop the system software and application software. And C language derived from the languages ALGOL and BCPL B-level language. So this diagram shows the development of C language. First ALGOL language developed by the international group in the year of 1960, and it is next another language is derived from the ALGOL language called BCPL. It was developed by the Martin Richard in the year of 1967. Next B language developed by the Ken Thompson in the year of 1970, and Dennis Rich traditionally C language developed in the year of 1972, and later new versions of C language also developed by the K&RC, ANSI, ANSI SOC C95 and 99. So any version of C language or any other C language version includes the different types of characteristics. First one is robust language. Robust language means it supports a set of built-in functions and operators which can be used to write the complex programs. So C language supports a set of built-in functions and operators to develop the programs. It is a high-level language, and C language is a small size, means only supports 32 keywords, and it can makes extensive use of function calls, means user defined functions or library functions. It is suited for structured programming, means programs are developed are designed as a blocks wise. It supports loose typing, means we can type freely subroutines first and then we can use that subroutines or subfunctions within any other program. And it is quick language to develop the programs. So it supports low level programming. It is a core, means it can be used as a basic language to get the knowledge in any other programming language, means it is a core language, has many other languages. It is a portable language. Portable means it can be executed on any other system, configured system or any other configured system. it is an extensible language. So next one, uses of C language. Primarily used for system programming, and it can be accepted by the many professionals that compilers, libraries, interpreters to other programming languages. C is sometimes used as an intermediate language for implementation of other languages. So it widely used to implement users applications. So once again I am repeating the characteristics and the history of C language. Mainly C language developed by the Dennis Ritchie in the year of 1972, and C language used to develop the system software as well as application software, and it was derived from the languages like ALGOL, BCPL and B language. So this is the derivation of C language from the other languages. This diagram shows the derivation of the C language from other languages. So observe this diagram. So next, characteristics of C language. So first one, it supports many built-in functions and operators to write the complex programs. It is a high-level language. High-level language means the statements are similar to the English language sentences. Okay. So next, it is a very small size, means it supports only 32 keywords. It supports extensive use of function calls, means we can use the function definitions repeatedly in any other program. It is suited for structured programming. It supports loose typing. It is a quick language to develop the programs, facilitate lower level programming, means machine level programming. It is a core language, has many other languages. It is a portable language, means the C programs can be executed in any other hardware configured environment. It is an extensible language. Next, uses of C, primarily used for system programming, and it has been accepted by professionals that compilers, libraries, interpreter of other programming languages. C is sometimes used as an intermediate language for implementation of other languages. It is widely used to implement the users applications. Okay.